Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV here in nice foggy Friendship, Wisconsin. This is a 2024 39 MKTS Catalina Destination Series 60th anniversary. We've got some new colors, some new appliances, some new stuff, and we're going to take a look here. MKTS mid-kitchen triple slide. Power awning with LED light strip. 2 entrances. We've got the nice patio doors in our entrance into our bedroom. Extra large grab handle. Let's take a look here. Table and chairs. Extra storage in the table. Under the seats. 2 recliners. Fireplace. Stereo system. And theater seating. Let's take a look. This is really cool. Storage in each one of the arms. I've never seen that before. I've seen them in the center, but not on the sides. Island kitchen. Solar panel prepped. This is an awesome refrigerator. Travel lock. And just look how big this thing is. It's huge. Nice little backsplash. Outlets and USB ports all over. Our microwave. Ceiling fan. We have 2 air conditioners in this unit. This is our shower. Very cool. I love this lock. This is brand new. It just drops up and down. Very cool. And the rear bedroom. Nice big king bed. Reading lights over the top. Nice spacious closet. Got a little desk. Work office area. And this is very cool. Already prepped and installed from the factory, washer and dryer. You couldn't get much more. This is an awesome unit. This is Tim from Friendship RV. Thank you.